In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write C++ and how to write comment in C++. So let's start the video. Here, I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to say firstfast.cpp because the extension is .cpp. Why? For the C++. And here we have to include a header file. So hash include a header file ios.trem. So this is called input output stream. Whenever we need to say, we need to output something or we need to show something as output, and we need to say, take input from the user, that time actually we can use this header file. We have a bunch of different header file in C, but for now I am going to show it only. So next thing is using namespace std, and then you need a function, and that is called main function, and its name also main, right? How can you ensure that it's a function? So it has a data type and name, and then parenthesis and a body using curly braces, opening and closing curly braces, and inside it you can actually print anything. So you can print using cout and then this sign, then double quotation, my first C++ program. And here you can see our function has a type integer, so we should return something, and that is, let's say, return 0. If I run the code, here you can see my first C++ program. Here you can actually show anything. It's a string, right? Because it is inside double quotation. We can actually show here value also, integer value also. So we'll talk about all the data types in our upcoming video. Let's say I want to show 23, and if I run it, it will show 23 for me. Now let's say I want to show string and number at the same time, so I can say here like this. So let me remove the full line at first. So I need cout for output something. So cout, I can use here cout only because of this header file. If I remove this header file, it will show me error. Here you can see red line here, right? Cout. So I have to use here this header file ios stream, and then I need to use cout for output. Then I have to use this sign, and now I will use this string. I will say the number, I will say your age is, here I'm going to say I want to show a number in the same line also, right? So I will use this sign, and then I will say 23. And we know in C++ every single statement will close with semicolon, so we have to use it. If we remove it, you will find error in the next line. Here you can see. Now let's run the code. Here you can see your age is 23. So we can actually show string and number at the same line. Now let's say I want to make comment. So how to comment in C++? So to comment in C++, we can actually comment out something in two different way. One is single line comment and another one is multi-line comment. Let's say I need a single line comment. So I will say, let's say single line. So I want to make this single line as comment. I want to comment out it. So what can I do? I can use here double slash only. So here you can see the line is comment out, right? But let's say I will say here single line, or I can say here that line 1, then line 2, then line 3. Here you can see we will find error. Why? Because we haven't actually comment out it. So we can comment out multiple line in two different way. We can actually select all of them and press Ctrl then slash. So it will actually create every single line as comment. But some code editor will actually not give this opportunity. So what you can do, you have to use here multi-line authentic way. So the way is you have to use slash and then asterisk sign, and in between them you have to put them. Here you can see now these are multi-line comments. I hope you understand. Now let's say I want to go to the new line. So how can actually you go to the new line? So if I run the code, here you can see your age is 23. Now let's say I want to show this age here, I mean in the new line. So I can do it like this. Let's say I want to cut it from here, and then I will say cout and then 23. If I run the code, here you can see they are still in the same line. So we have to use here something else, and that is \n for the new line. If I use it now, it will actually go to the new line. Here you can see your age is 23 and 23 is in the new line, right? You can actually use here space also, I mean tab. If we use here \t, it will create enough space and then it will show the number. If I run the code once again, you can see the difference, and here you can see it create a space, and that is actually tab space only because of this \t. If you want to use, let's say your age is inside double quotation, you can actually do this. How? By using this sign. So now I am going to remove this t because I want to show them here. Okay, so you have to close it also. So you have to use this one to actually show something inside double quotation. If I run the code, you will see the output. Here you can see your age is inside double quotation, right?